Hello sunshine, and welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video, we're going to do a Filipino style pesto because we're going to use the malunggay. So we believe naman kahit everywhere you can find the malunggay in the Philippines, and it's very you can just get from the backyard, and also like so many vitamins the malunggay actually. And of course we're going to use as well yung coriander and the parsley and some chilies, at saka meron din itong chiling labuyo. So kunting anghang. So masarap siya guys. Hopefully you will also try this kasi I try it and my family like it. Of course, syempre, yung malunggay is very tasty and yummy because that's our main ingredients. So, madali siyang gawin, guys. Kahit kasi sa blender, pwede mo na siyang ma-blend yung mga ingredients. Ganun lang siya kadali, guys. At saka pwede mo siyang maikip sa refrigerator ng 2 weeks. Basta naka-airtight, lang siya, sa bottle. It's inside the bottle and airtight. Okay guys, so, yeah, you can see the cherry tomatoes pala is not for the pesto. I put it together kasi it's mostly green colors, so just giving some colors. And the tomato also, I use it for the seafoods when I cook this pasta. So guys, magugustuhan nyo to, sigurado ako, and you try this and serve to your family kasi rin siya. It's full of vitamins nga, as I said. So yes guys, hopefully so you like my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any suggestion, please comment down below and I read it and I will get back to you once I have free time to do what is your requested me to cook. So yeah, this one guys, I still cook the spaghetti for my family. I use the pesto pasta, so it's become a pesto pasta. Okay guys, so thank you very much. See you next time. God bless.